Welcome to Preyo Promo, where you learn simple tech tutorials to manage your browser and digital tools more efficiently.
Whoa, my Chrome bookmarks
Want to
are a
back
total
up your
mess.
Chrome bookmarks
If I
or
don't back
move them
these
to
up, I
another
could lose
computer?
everything.
In this tutorial, you'll learn how to export Google Chrome bookmarks quickly on both Mac and PC. Step 1. Open the Chrome Bookmarks menu launch. Google Chrome and click the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner of the browser. From the drop-down menu, hover over Bookmarks, then select Bookmark Manager to access all saved bookmarks. Step 2. Open the Bookmark Manager options. Inside the Bookmark Manager, look at the top right area of the page. Click the three-dot menu within the Bookmark Manager, next to the search bar, to access bookmark options. Don't forget to subscribe before we move on. Get instant access to smart, time-saving tech tutorials. Step 3. Export your bookmarks. From the menu options, click Export Bookmarks to start the export process. A file-saving window will appear, allowing you to choose where to store the bookmark file. Step 4. Save the bookmark file. Select a location such as desktop, documents, or a USB drive where you want to save the file. Give the file a name if needed and click Save to export your bookmarks as an HTML file.
Whoa, my Chrome
And that's how you
bookmarks
can
are a
export
total
your Chrome
mess.
bookmarks to back them up or transfer them to another device. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to Preyo Promo for more quick and practical tech tutorials.